In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive and remove it from File Explorer on Windows 10, 5 minutes. If you're seeing OneDrive in File Explorer and want it gone, or you simply want to stop files from syncing in the background, I'll walk you through a clean, safe way to disable it and remove the File Explorer entry without risking your files. First, look to the right side of your taskbar near the clock for the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive panel. In the panel, click the Help and Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive settings window where you can control the app's behavior on your computer. Go to the Account tab. Here's where we'll stop syncing this PC. Click Unlink this PC. When the confirmation prompt appears, select Unlink Account. Unlinking stops OneDrive from syncing files on this device and signs it out of your Windows session, but it does not delete your files. Anything already synced stays in your OneDrive folder locally, and everything in the cloud remains available at the OneDrive website. If a sign-in window pops up afterward, just close it. With syncing disabled, the next step is to remove OneDrive itself so it no longer integrates with File Explorer. Open the Start menu and go to Settings, then Apps and Features. In the list, search for or scroll to Microsoft OneDrive. Select it, choose Uninstall, and Confirm. Windows may ask you to close OneDrive or grant permission. Go ahead and allow that. The uninstall removes the application and its File Explorer integration, which removes the OneDrive shortcut from the left navigation pane. If your device is managed by an organization, you might need administrator permission to complete this step. A couple of quick notes for peace of mind. Unlinking and uninstalling won't erase your cloud files. You can still access them anytime through your web browser. Locally, your existing OneDrive folder remains on your drive with whatever it already contains. You can move or delete those files like any other folder if you decide you no longer need them. If you had pending changes that hadn't synced, consider copying those files somewhere safe before you uninstall. That's it. You've disabled OneDrive and removed it from File Explorer on Windows 10. If you ever want it back, simply reinstall OneDrive from Microsoft and sign in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your PC.